to Coding with Kids.
My name's Kalia.
And my name's Andrew.
Today we're in Coda Off in Andrew's show, Minecraft TNT Show.
Yeah, it's a show. So this is in code.org and it's one of those hour of code things. So then when run, it'll turn left, that means it will go this way, then it'll move forward 2 times, right next to the iron ore. Then it'll destroy the block. Move forward, destroy the stone block. Move forward, turn right, and destroy the other iron ore block. Then move forward and turn right. Then it'll repeat 10 times. Do move forward and place. What's that I see? TNT! So it'll go move forward and place TNT for 10 blocks. Then it'll turn right 2 times. And repeat 4 times. Do move forward. Then it'll turn left.
Don't get us and Steve and don't set those TNT on fire, okay? Or it will explode.
After you turn left, then repeat 5 times. Do place TNT. Move forward. Then if the water is ahead, then place bedrock ahead on top of the water. Then turn right and repeat 2 times. Do move forward, place TNT again. Then if water ahead, do place cobblestone ahead. So you don't fall in the water, because if you fall in the water, the screen will turn blue and you will lose.
Yeah, so you can't do anything more.
Yeah, because you drown. Okay, let's see. Mine, there's a diamond pickaxe. I got iron ore. I got cobblestone. I got iron ore. I'm rich. TNT.
But I think the best is actually iron ore.
Iron is so strong.
Yeah.
Ooh. Go back. Step walking on the TNT. Going.
Oh, for the tree.
I hit the tree, went right forward.
I think I see.
Oh. It destroyed 3 trees. That's so much TNT. It made like a T shape, but there's like more of a J shape. Run it one more time, bigger.
There's a lot of ore there.
Yeah. There's also sheep, a meadow of sheep. Diamond pickaxe. I already have enough diamond to have a diamond pickaxe. I need iron armor. Now let's explode this place. But you can't explode the ground.
That's different. It's code up of Minecraft, you can't explode the ground. Right here is where the dirt is where you can think.
Go through the tree. This is kind of a J shape.
With the tree over there.
Yeah, and
but you can't do like a circle.
Yeah, and it's very cool. All the TNT explode at the same time, and there's so much of them.
Yeah, when you like the code N, it boom.
Yeah.
And it's just kicking on the ground.
Well, they're eating. That's how they are.
And there's no ores there. There's emerald.
Okay.
I wanna mine them.
You can do those stuff. Yeah. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.